Yo. All right, today is November 22nd, 2024. I'm gonna quickly go over these levels. I don't think I'll be screen recording today. I think this is just taking way too much data. We will see. Yeah, I think it's taking way too much data of the my internet, and I'm close to my limit. So, and this is also my probably my last week recording here. So we'll see. So today let's go for news real quickly. We got a 9:45 PMI, so this would be something heavy, and the consumer sentiment at 10 also heavy as well. So these two, 9:45 and 10, are our news times. Right now, looks like the market is at break even in a sense, and Q leading us down. But price close somewhere around here. So we're gonna do some house cleaning. I didn't do any house cleaning on the markets. I need to actually make this a lot easier for me to see what's going on. So I usually go down to the 30-minute chart and do a quick assessment of what's happening. So yesterday, price came up to this area where there was a gap fill, and you can see that it filled it very nicely, and it sold off for about 59 points. I caught some of the move on that pullback somewhere around here for about 18 points. I think around here is where I stopped out. Somewhere around here I stopped out. I stopped, and then price eventually pulled up one more time and then went down to where I wanted it to closely. Well, I wanted to go down here or over here, but more so in respective of what NQ was doing, because NQ, I wanted to see NQ touch down here before I exit, and NQ did touch it. NQ touched because it was leading. NQ touched, and that's where we bounced off of, and we took a strong reversal back up. But I was out of the trade by then. I had an early trade. All right, so and I didn't have anything here for ES to say that hey we should go long, except for this candle here that I did mark because it's from the 30-minute fell sell, and I didn't expect it to hold because I didn't have anything inside of it or in Q to say that this error was significant. I really wanted to see ES come down to here, same area where NQ went to. So, but NQ ES held here, and I think around here somewhere is where I had potential, um, potential volume. Yeah, yeah. So this kind of here was where the potential volume was, and in a sense ES held it. All right, and moved up because that's where we had this area. So I marked it from here to here, and ES held it, and that's where it moved. As you can see, we bounced. I took the trade around here, down to here, price reversed, came back down one more time. When NQ reached that lower part that's similar to this, and then straight reversal back up. So let me clean these charts up. So everything that we cross is now no longer useful to me. Even this little thing that was over here. Even we can also see that price today came back to that prior day high and bounce. So it just looks very clean. Doesn't mean it's anything of importance, but it's just very clean to see that price back to levels that were prior to that was recent levels. We came all the way up to here during the regular market times, so that's gonna go. It's gonna go. This is gonna go. This is gonna go. This is gonna go. So we should have we should have a cleaner area to deal with. This is the area I'm interested in now. I'm gonna bring this over. I have no idea what this is. I'll bring this over as well. All right, and right now we can see that we're on an uptrend. Looks like we're trying to recover the losses, and look like we're trying to do what most people have stated that after an election day, after election, we go into like November 21st and drop, and then from the 21st, I guess on, we start rising. So this is the 19th, and so far we've been creating higher highs. So maybe we've reached our we've reached our downward potential, which is this here. This is all during the election day, right? It's about 50% of that move. It seems like. All right, so price pulled about 50%, and then it's been kind of just moving back up since then. So that's what I'm seeing with this. All right, so we're in an uptrend right now. Let's do NQ. Let's clear out some stuff for NQ. NQ held this level here. Wow, actually, I should have really got into NQ. We're holding this trend line, this area here. So, and then let's see what it did on the 5 minute. That should have definitely have been somewhere that if I was cognitively aware, I could have entered. All right, we came down. Yep. Selling stopped, died right there, and price just reversed. So probably could have entered after this candle because I kind of like this candle here. Um, so stop loss around here. So maybe right around here I could have entered. But I don't trade NQ, but here to here. So risking about 42 points. I wish I traded NQ because I just can't figure out what the number is that I'm risking. I know with ES it's 5 and 50 and 500. ES I know it's like 250. But the number, the spread wise of the points, I just have not been able to factor in how much that is because it's half of that. So I guess this would be like a 20-point move on ES, right? Which is a lot more than I would want it to be because in ES most of my points are about 6 points, 3 points, 10 points was the most the other time. But so this would be in half would be 20 points. Um, and then getting it back up here, this would be almost 100 points. Wow, that's not that bad. Right, 100 points in a sense. So it'd be 250. Let's see. All right. Oh, yeah, 100 points because. All right. Boom. So that itself, just on one mini itself, right, to get that, boom, 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 right, even this 184, just on one micro, right, that's 460 bucks. That's not that freaking bad. Shoot, may need to just go to an NQ on this trade one micro. That's not that bad, you know, but risking that 2.5 times 42, right? So that's something I need to know. Like this risk is still real, right? That's 105, but still 105 to make 500. That's a 5 to 1 ratio. Um, you know, but I need to really get these like tight. Like this would have been a better one here. So, what's that? 13 times 5. I have no idea what that is. All right. So 2.5 times 26. That's that. So 13 times 5. Yeah. So yeah. All right. That would have been good. Risking 26 points to make this. All right. Getting back up to here. All right. 200, 210. All right. That's good. That's very good. But I really would have to put in work. Like this one here, I like how it held, and then it shifted. All right. Went to buy, and then a pause, and then there's no more selling. And then price just reverse. And then you just look for an area to sell, which we probably got on, which would be right about up here. All right. Boom. This would have been a monster of a move. 328. Wow, that would have been a monster of a move. And let's see if we have any Then to back it up, I'm just doing a quick, just hypothesis, a what if moment. That's really pretty much it. Where's my NQ? Here it is. And all right, okay. So yeah, we do get something for selling it. So we got this here. So I probably would have been out somewhere around here. If we're going right here, right? So this would have been out. Oh, look at that double freaking bottom. All right. Boom, 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 push, boom, push. All right. So double bottom. So it's 150. How much extra it is, right? So would I have to been really aggressive? We didn't have anything here to reject yet. I would prefer to reject above here, so which is up here, right? So if we get that with double bottom, boom, and then get around here, 215, and then if I'm being greedy, up here would have been really not 93 points. All right, this is very clean. Sell, sell, rejection up, cleared that, come back one more time and starts to push up right here. It's an entry. So risking about 40 points, same 40 points, and then up to make 238 points, more or less. That's just the high end of it. So 215 points. We just say that. This one on one. Actually, no, it'll be on one, two, three, maybe four. Because if I'm trading how I'm trading, we have one pullback. Maybe not this one. I let that one go. If I can pull back, scary pullback, right? So three. Let's just say it's four, but and if we can take that one up to here, so we have, let's say this is 215. Plus whatever this is, 60, and plus whatever this is around here, 62.75. That should be the total points. And then 62.75. That doesn't help. All right, so we have 215 times 2.5 plus 60 times 2.5 plus 62.75 times 2.5. There it is. All right, so that would have been it right here. So 844, which would have been that move, this one here, right? Which would have been up to that one. So that would have been 844 bucks. Wow, just straight add-ons. 2, 3. Right, that's not even counting. Yeah, that's not counting that, because, and if we add this one here, because I didn't count that one. If we add that one here, so that's 133. Right, so I had 133 plus, all right, so 1,100. So this is on 4 contracts. So initial contract, pull back, let's go, add it, exit down here, pull back, add it, exit down here, pull back, add it, exit still down here. Boom. All right. So because this here is what, 21 points, 19 points, but from this go here, I'm already up 93 points. So 93 points, giving back about 30. This is not that bad. So a 60-point move. If I ended up just getting a 60-point move, what is that? All right, that's 150. All right, and I was risking initially 40 points. So, and then when you have this move here at 107, well, it's 47, right? At 47 plus the this one here, 86, so 120. It's not that bad, all right? Plus the whatever the other one is, right? So that's 120 for that one, and then the other one. So whatever that one gives me, which is about 47. And that math over here. So 47 times 2.5 plus the what 320, I think. All right, so that's good, yo. I take that. Shoot, I take that. I don't get that with ES. I don't get nothing near that with ES, right? Like I said, I have to worry about my downside, So just one NQ, it's very good return. Very, very good return. Boom. I definitely take that. All right, clearing it up. Let's go over the levels. So let's clear it up so I can go over my levels. I think I talked way too much for that, but it's a good perspective of what you're risking and what you're trying to aim get. So this would have been very good, very, very good trade. All right, so that looks good. Okay, so that's been cleared. Let's go back to ES. All right, so this is ES. Okay, so daily first. So we're back in that uptrend. All right, we're back on that strong uptrend here. We can definitely probably just keep going. Um, I'm gonna mess with this daily a little bit, and then I just correct it as I go down. We're back in an uptrend. Do I see anything that's weird? Hmm. I don't know what the freak that's doing. Let's go over here like this. Mm-hmm. That. All right. Let's go 4 hour. All right. So I'm kind of like this here. We're definitely on a somewhat uptrend. Let's fix settlement price because I don't like it being so weirdly there. Man, that NQ thing really got me thinking, right? Because you see that? That's like nothing, but that risk is what 40, $50 to make five. I mean, that's a 5 to 1 race. I don't get 5 to 1s with NQ with ES. I get 1 to 1s, 2 to 1s so far, but that's a 5 to 1, right? So I don't know. NQ looking kind of sexy right now. Not even gonna lie. All right, so this low can go. Yesterday was Thursday, so our low is somewhere around here. Let's bring that over. I should have a low over here, right? Is this ES? Yeah. Our high was around here somewhere. Let's grab this high. Let's bring it up. All right, cool. Bam. Okay. I don't have anything here to stop me on the higher time frame. Let's go to 1 hour. We're still tracking an uptrend here. I have a small little minor pullback. So I'm a little minor move here from here to here. So that's more on a lower time frame kind of thing. We'll see how price is reacting around that. So it actually looks very clean. That looks very clean. All right, that's a very clean structure. Even another one inside here. All right, so messing with that. Well, I do like this area here where I have to see what price does. But I do like that selling. I see on the 5, the 1 hour is buying that I see down here. We do have no, we cleared all the selling realm except for that one. So if ES can definitely reject this one, I'd look for some nice rejection down here. If not, reclaim above, we'll keep moving higher. All right, let's go to the 30-minute. Same thing. So it's very prominent in the 30 minutes where I usually get all of my levels from. This has been established already. We got strong selling but failed and reversed. Strong selling but failed in reverse, which came from, and it says it came from me there, but I never got anything that says price should. So in a sense, it really came from right here. This is the one that really did not want price to go. But I thought since we cleared it, we shouldn't have been bugged out by that at all. But apparently, price didn't give a crap, and it held. I should have respected that. It really held. All right. So right now we don't have anything. So price can go either way. Let me adjust this. Oh, this is clean. Jeez, this thing barely even moved. Yeah, this thing's clean. All right. I don't see anything here that warrants I should get in it. I mean, I should do anything, right? Price is just really just holding this area here, but I mean, price is really just showing that it's just volume here. That's all. All right. And the price has been holding below settlement price, which is interesting. Let's go to 15 nothing. Okay, we got this. All right, so that failed by. We can see it now a little clearer from here. Okay. So nothing down here. We did bounce off of it. We can see right here we held. So this is an interesting spot for me. This is an area of interest for me. We did bounce off of it. Uh, I will I will adjust this to the 15. And I think I'll leave it at the 15 if the 5 minute doesn't produce anything. I just want something up. Nothing. What's this? Oh, that's something. Yeah, price dropped out of that. Came back to it. Created liquidity. Created more liquidity. Grab the wow. Look at this liquidity grab. Boom. Created liquidity right above. So price can come right back to this. Went and grabbed all of the liquidity and then dropped the opposite way. This was a liquidity grab in the middle of the freaking night. All right. Boom. Okay. Drop. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Oh, look at that higher. No, we can put a stop loss down there. Nice. No. Oh man. Okay. Nah, we're gonna and then bam, drop. All right. Good. Even this looks Like it's kind of sexy, right? A little bit of out right here. Go for that low. Right there. All right. Boom. All right. Like I said, doesn't give me 5 to 1 like NQ, but look at that. Boom. Came back to it. Doesn't really give us a nice angle. It doesn't give it to us until here. Boom. It breaks. Stop loss below. So about 4 points. And there it goes. All right. So probably entering this one as it's breaking. Stop loss. All right, right here. So that's about the 2, 4, about 6 to 1. So it'd be 7. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, 6 to 1. This is nice. Not a single pullback. So this will just be on one contract. Holding my breath. This does not feel good. Boom. Maybe I'll add one more right here. We finally start to go. Nice little pullback. All right. Probably just needed to actually turn black, but even more so, something like this. Yeah, I have to respect that. And then this one probably would have caught me while it was trying to go. So maybe have it like, but that stop loss would have been way too. High stop loss would have been tighter, probably like right here. All right, but I do like this here. This is the double bottom. I like that. Could have added another one here. It's a double bottom. This is a nice strong pull. Uh, and then price just goes. So, all right, let's continue cleaning house. So I'm gonna keep this one. This was liquidity grab area. Liquidity grab. Liquidity grab. Clear that strongly. It's also gonna be 5 minute. Excuse me. All right, I'm gonna add some of the music. What's the time? Uh, okay, thank you, time. Add some music. Because so let me just clear my head. Not think too much. Get rid of that. Okay. Didn't show me anything here. 1 minute. Chop, 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 chop. Pull, pull up. Volume into it. All right. Boom. Liquidity grab. Liquidity grab. Full liquidity grab. Reversal. Nice little cluster. So these clusters here are probably like this is the one that I saw on NQ. Probably more so for reversals. Just tiny clusters that get pulled, and then that. This is too much. This is not really a cluster. So cluster reversals maybe. What my setups would be. So they have to be at levels though. That's too much. Like this one here, we had time to actually come back to it and reverse. And then price just held it. All right. This what I probably would have caught my attention here. Also, we got to really clear that. Cleared it. All right, let's go. This one, not a cluster yet. And then this is the way that we're going. I like this. It's also a bit of a cluster reversal because we hit it and we kind of held and then we reverse. All right. So, but I had to really figure out which one. This probably would have caught me in the trade too early. If I'm being diligent with it and I had a trend line, I'd be, more apt to probably get the trade around here. It's a nice end of day drop. All right. Add to the trade somewhere around here. Right here. All right. This probably would have caught my attention. Hopefully, I wouldn't get stopped out. Um, I don't like that. This looks good. So, okay. All right. I'm feeling good with ES. Let's do NQ. NQ's uptrend also. Strong buying. That was in there before, as you can see. Selling that got absorbed. We sold, calmed up, came down, pushing up. It's that same reversal as what we saw earlier. We done cleared just about everything here. Down here is a buying parking lot. Okay. Daily, we didn't even clear anything here, so NQ still has potential downside. I don't think ES had any of that. Yes. Oh no, the ESI is this one right here. All right, ESI is that. Okay. NQ, I do have the same. So NQ never filled that gap yet. Still in an uptrend. We got this downtrend happening. All right. Let's go to the 30-minute, and we're looking for. I didn't do the highs and lows. Got nicely that rejected. Look at that, huh? Okay. Mm. 15-minute. ES has the same thing right here. I like that. nothing there yet. We did kind of clear it. We're not gonna stress it out. Uh, you're not gonna stress it out. I am gonna put a dot there. That, but I like this here. 5 minute. So it's the 5 minute also. Still nothing, huh? All right, so 5 minute clusters. So I definitely would like to see price come down to here. Just a little cluster on the there. Not this one, not too much, but we are respecting it. So below it, sell off. It is a pre-market low also. Hmm. Did I not add settlement price? No. I'm like, I feel empty. Below settlement. I see a grab just happening here and then fucking people over. Or just bounce here all the way through that. That's settlement price. I like this here. Oh, that I think I hit the cancel button. I sure did. Still nothing. 1 minute, some out. Whoo, boy. Alright. I definitely want to see some buying up here. Yeah, that's strong. Nothing to mark there. Yeah. No. All right, Vicks, and then we'll go look at the overall picture of all of them. Yesterday's high, yesterday's low. Really held that area down there. Highs here. Right now we're in the middle, which is very interesting that we're in the middle. Not a lot of activity, but definitely selling activity down here. All right, we're in the middle of nowhere with VIX, and these two are all definitely in the center of nothing. But I like these levels down here that I have. So we just wait to see how price reacts to these things that we have at the top and the ones that we have at the bottom. So I'll just mark those. Got it from 15-minute chart, right? Nothing in there. 5 minute. Small range. All right, cool. All right, that's pretty much it. News 9:45 and 10 o'clock. Once again, those are my levels. All right, so we're just waiting. All right, so that's it for me. I'll be back, and like I said, I might record the evening session, but we'll see. I mean, the during the charts, we'll see how I record that if I record it. I'm done for today.